and I'm gonna talk about this Sky High mascara from Maybelline. This one, I'm gonna talk about it. Okay, first of all, sorry for the crazy cat just on the front of my door. He will go in a minute, so let's jump into this video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mimi and I am a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. If you love makeup tutorials, reviews, and DIYs, all you need to this lovely girly stuff, consider subscribing so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And if you are a subscriber already and you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about mascara review. Of course, I love mascara reviews if you don't know, and I'm gonna talk about this Sky High mascara from Maybelline. This one, I'm gonna talk about it. So as you can see, the packaging is so perfect. First thing I always talk about is the packaging. As you can see, it's very plain, just having this very slender kind of a packaging. The color is so amazing. I love this color. As you can see, I just love this kind of a pink nude or like cashmere color. I love it so much, and the color is so metallic and amazing. And the writing on the packaging is like it's coming out a little bit from the original packaging with a shiny kind of a writing over it, which is amazing. So the packaging, the color, and how it looks really amazing. It's so cylindrical but still so good. So for me, I love the packaging so much, so I'm gonna give it some thumb up. For the mascara itself, we're gonna open it and see the brush, of course. And the brush is silicone, which is amazing because I love the silicone brushes. I'm sorry if you can hear the cats. I have two cats in front of my door and they don't want to stop meowing, which is bad. So I'm gonna do this video anyway. I just give them some food, but anyway, so let's go to the brush. It's silicone, which is amazing. I have kind of a small eyes with a really long curled lashes upwards and just curled to the back, which is really difficult for me to apply mascara perfectly without smudging all over my makeup. So having a silicone brush is really amazing for me because it's really goes with the my eye shape and how my lashes go, and at the same time it's not too big. It's very nice and medium size for me, so really good for like taking the whole lashes and apply the mascara perfectly from down up. If you have long lashes, you know that you need to apply mascara from down and from above your lashes too, to cover the whole lash and the curl. Especially if you have curl, it's crazy and you always smudge. So it's really important for me to look for the brush. It's not only the material over the mascara itself or the effect of the mascara, but also the brush. This one is so amazing. It's so flexible, and how it looks is really kind of having this kind of cone shape. Amazing. The bristles on the tip is really short than the in the beginning of the brush. It's kind of longer than the okay, it's kind of longer than the tip of the brush, which is amazing because this really helps to apply the mascara on the very small fine lashes on the inner part of my eye. So I love how this brush looks. I love the size and I love how it's very flexible and going to my eye. It's amazing. So the brush is amazing. I love it and I give it a thumbs up. For the material of this mascara, it's so black and super soft. It glides really nicely over my lashes without making any clumps, even with two coats. It's so amazing and give a very nice, amazing volume and length at the same time. So it's really sky high, give you the massive lashes that you need without using multiple mascaras over top of each other. Like I usually, like when I want to have massive lashes, like a false lashes effect, I use 2 or maybe 3 types of different mascara to add more volume and length to my lashes. If I want to have a false effect lashes, this one give you the false effects without using anything else but 2 coats of these. If you have really short lashes, you can use 3, but with 2 coats, you're gonna see in a minute, it's really amazing. Give you this very voluminous, long, crazy lashes that you dream of. So it's really amazing mascara. so black and really shine my eyes. So I'm gonna leave you now to see, as usual, my like the two clips of having one bare eyes in one coat and two coats of this mascara over the other eye, so we can compare without any mascara on, because I have long lashes, so you can see the difference without having bare lash and having one and two coats of mascara. So I'm gonna leave you now and I'm gonna come back after that. For the smudging effect during the day, it really stays on for a really long time. It's amazing without making any smudges underneath my eyes, which is perfect because it's so black and so soft, but it doesn't make any smudges during the day and it stays on like you just apply it. So for the staying power in smudging underneath the eyes during the day, it's very amazing. So great. For the Panda Eyes, this is a massive problem. It really does bend the eyes, especially with multiple coats, like 2 coats or more, really do bend the eyes underneath your eyes if you just wash your eye like normally. But for the better effect, it doesn't have, you do not have a bent eyes underneath your eyes, just use makeup remover for your eyes first before you wash your face normally, or use a clean sponge. I always use a clean sponge from Shein. I have a full review and how to wash it. I'm gonna link in the card description box down below if you want to go and check them out. But I really love it because you can just use only water to remove your eye makeup, and at the same time you remove most of the mascara before I wash my eye like normal, but still leave a small residue underneath, like my lower lash line especially, and a little bit lower. It just stays for the next day, because I don't want to just go and rub my eye very harshly. So it's okay for me if I'm not gonna wear any makeup next day or something, so it's okay. Just have a little bit of dark cream on my lower lash line and just go with the next wash next day. So it's not a big problem, but don't use it don't wash your face without remove the mascara first with a makeup remover or a clean sponge from any brand. I use Shein. So this will really help to reduce the Panda Eyes to the minimum, especially if you have a sensitive under eye area. You need to do that because it's really dark and really soft, and this is not a good thing. But I can skip this thing because it's amazing. It just gives you all the things that you need. It's really worth it and really recommended. I really recommend. If you didn't use it, try it. You're gonna fall in love, especially if you have a have a short lashes. This will give you the job that you dream of. It will give you the lashes that you want. So I love this one. It's one of my favorite now and so recommended. Try it and you will never regret it. So this is for this video. So I'm gonna summarize everything. For the packaging, thumb up. For the brush, thumb up. For the material, the mascara itself, thumb up. For the staying power and no smudging during the day, thumb up. For the Panda Eyes, I can't skip this part because it's amazing everything else, but it doesn't give you that massive Panda Eyes, as I said. Anyway, this is for this review. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!